Okay, so welcome back to my set review series. Today, we will be learning all about the Cartesian plane. So, ano nga ba ang Cartesian plane, no? So, basically, ito ay isang graphical representation, no? Graphical representation ng ano? Representation siya ng cross product ng real number line with itself, no? So, kung gusto nyo maging technical, that will be real numbers ay cross product siya ng real numbers. So, meaning, meron kang dalawang values, no? X and Y. Let's say X and Y such that X is an element of all real numbers and Y is an element of all real numbers. Okay? So, basically, the Cartesian plane, rina-represent niya lahat yung points in the XY plane formed by two perpendicular lines, no? So, kaya natin siya tinatawag na X and Y dito kasi ang tawag natin dun sa mga lines na yon ay yung X and Y, no? X-axis and Y-axis. Okay? So, each point is represented by an ordered pair, no? Tinatawag natin siya X, Y, no? Hindi yan set, point yan. So, this is a point in the plane. Okay? And remember na yung X coordinate, okay, we call yung X dito a coordinate and yung Y din is also a coordinate. Nauuna lagi yung X bago yung Y. Okay? Nauuna lagi yung X before Y. So, let's explain this using a Cartesian plane. So, paano ba gumawa ng isang Cartesian plane? So, basically, gawa ka lang ng isang line going down and isang line going from left to right. So, tas gawin mong arrows tong mga to. Okay? So, yan. Meron ka ng Cartesian plane. Okay? So, ito, ang tawag dito ay Cartesian plane. And then, meron kang x-coordinate. So, yung x-coordinate, ito yung x, and ito yung y. So, let's say meron kang point na 1, 2. So, ito yung x, ito yung y. So, gawa ka lang ng mga tick marks, no? So, gawa ka lang tick marks dyan. So, sabi natin, x is 1, no? So, x is 1. So, ito yung 0. So, ito yung 0. Ito yung 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ay 1, 2, 3. So, pwede nyo dagdagan yan. So, sabi natin na x is 1. So, dito, tignan natin yung 1. Okay, tignan natin yung 1. Kung medyo nalilito kayo, drawing kayo ng vertical line, no? And then, yung y daw ay 2, no? So, yung y ay 2, drawing ka ng horizontal line. And kung saan sila nag-intersect, itong point na yan, yung mismong 1, 2. Okay? So, another definition of terms, yung point na to, we call this the origin. Okay, we call that the origin and yung point na yan ay 0, 0. Okay, we call that the origin. Yung y na to, so yung line na to ay we call the y-axis. Okay, and yung line na to, we call that the x-axis. Okay, and again, we call yung x-coordinate, okay, this is the x-coordinate, and this is the y-coordinate. Okay? So, may isa pang tawag dyan, no? Kung minsan kasi ginagamit nila yung iba-ibang terms para medyo nakakalito, no? So, yung another term for x-coordinate, okay, is the abscissa. So, abscissa. And yung y-coordinate, we call that the ordinate. So, basically, yung x-coordinate, yun yung nag-indicate ng perpendicular displacement from the y-axis. Okay? So, basically, kung gaano siya kalayo from the y-axis. And yung y-coordinate naman, kabaliktaran naman niya, siya naman yung distance from the x-axis. Okay? So, kung mapapansin nyo, nakahati yung Cartesian plane natin into 4 parts, no? So 1, 2, 3, and 4, no? So nahati siya into 4 parts. And we call that quadrants, okay? So quadrants. So basically yung quadrants ay yun nga, yun yung regions, no? Regions of the Cartesian plane, no? So let's call it CP, Cartesian plane. So bakit natin siya linalagyan ng label, no? May special kasi sa kanila. So kung mapapansin nyo, kung gumawa tayo ng mini Cartesian plane dito sa region 1, lahat ng values dito ay positive. So lahat ng x and y values sa region 1 ay positive. Okay? Dito naman sa may region 2, yung values ng x lahat ay negative and lahat ng values ng y ay positive. Dito naman sa third region, lahat ng values natin ng x ay negative and lahat din ng values natin ng y ay negative. And dito sa fourth region, lahat ng values natin ng x ay positive and lahat ng values natin ng y ay negative. Kaya natin siya hinahati sa 4 na region. Okay? So, magandang maalala na ito ay quadrants. And also, ganito natin siya dinedenote. So, dito yung 1. Okay? So, laging dito yung region 1 or quadrant 1. Laging dito yung quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. So, that is just the notation. So, let's do some basic examples. Let's say, sinabi sa inyo na let's say, sabi sa inyo na plot the point, let's say, 2, 3, no? So, let's say 2, 3. And let's say negative 1, 1. Let's say 0, 0. And let's say 4, minus 2. No? So, gawa lang tayo ng Cartesian plane. And let's put x and y here so that malinaw lang. And gawa lang tayong tick marks, no? So, and lagyan natin sila ng label, no? So, again, this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. This is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So, una, sabi sa atin is, we plot the point 2, 3, no? So, sabi 2, 3. So, tingin tayo sa x na 2. Okay? So, ito ay 2. Ito yung 2. And then, 3 sa y, no? So, ito yung 3. So, kunin mo lang yung intersection nila, no? Kunin mo lang yung intersection nila. And, yan na yung point 2, 3. So, yan na yung point 2, 3 kagad. Next is negative 1, 1. So, ito yung negative 1 sa x. Ito yung 1 sa y. So, connect mo lang sila, no? So, ito yung negative 1. Ito yung 1. And ito na kagad yung point na negative 1, 1. Okay? Next is 0, 0. So, 0, 0. Ito na kagad yung 0, 0. And again, we call this the origin. Okay? Then, lastly, we plot yung 4, negative 2, no? So, 4. So, ito yung 4. 4. And then, negative 2. So, ito na yung point na 4, negative 2. So, sorry, medyo na tabunan yung origin. Pero, that's how you plot points, no? So, this will be very important in our succeeding na topics. So, today, natutunan nyo all about the Cartesian plane. Ano nga ba ang Cartesian plane? Ano yung mga axis? Ano yung origin? Ano yung x-coordinate? Ano yung y-coordinate? Ano yung mga quadrants ng Cartesian plane? And also, natutunan nyo how to plot points on the Cartesian plane. So, I hope to see you again next time.